Hotel Nikko of Zealand, an affordable leisure hotel resort, is an ideal retreat to escape, unwind and enjoy peace of mind. Set amid expensive tropical greenery in the enclave of Zealand, Hotel Nikko is designed for pleasure, where services reign supreme and Italian-style architecture of its 25 classic rooms harmonize with nature. Hotel Nikko Zealand is a beachfront resort that features a good choice of swim-up pool bar, gym and variety of restaurants. A wide array of water sport activities like surfing, sailing, jet skiing, etc. are available from beach operators at walking distance. The hotel is synonymous with enjoyment and value for money with a large choice of very attractive all-inclusive packages. So only thing to remember from here is 25 classic rooms. So there are 25 rooms. Nikko charges guests ZD Zealand dollar 2700 per room per night, irrespective of single or double occupancy. The variable cost is ZD 900 per occupied room per night. Room night is as good as room day that you have learned in your operating costing. The Nikko is available throughout 365 days a year and has 75% budgeted occupancy rate. So you can find from here total room occupancy per annum, which will be 25 rooms are there. For 365 days the occupancy is 75%. So 25 into 365 into 75% is giving me 6843.75. I am taking 6844. Fixed costs are budgeted at ZD 9 million and are incurred evenly during the year. So fixed costs are budgeted at ZD 9 million and are incurred evenly during the year. Alright, so from here we can understand the current profitability of Nikko. Contribution per room day or room night is same. Room day is coming 2700 minus 900 is equal to 1800. So that you can multiply with 6844 to find your total contribution. Subtract 9 million from it, you will get your current profitability. During the quarter 2 of the year, which is usually during the second quarter 2 of the year, usually the room occupancy rates remain substantially below the levels expected at other quarters of the year. Nikko is expecting to sell 900 room nights during quarter 2. Management is considering strategy to improve profitability, including closing the Nikko for the duration of quarter 2 or adopting one possible option as follows. So there are two options. One option is closing the Nikko for quarter 2 and second option is adopting one possible option as follows. So there are two things, 1 and 2. You may close it or you may continue, I just guessed. Adopting one possible option as follows. There is scope to extend the Nikko by creating enough space to run a rustic Czech Italian style restaurant to serve its guests. The annual revenues, costs and sales volume for the combined operations means present plus restaurant, present plus new restaurant are given in the following graph. Okay, combined operation means present plus restaurant. Let me write it here. And this is all annual details are given. So there are two options. Option 1 is to shut down. Option 2 is to continue. Option 2 is to continue by adopting one possible option, and that possible option is to open a new restaurant. And then the combined details are given. So the trick of this question is to read this graph properly. So let us discuss this graph first. If you see sales starting from 0, total cost, intersection point of sales and total cost is called as break-even point. So this 5425 is break-even. On x-axis we have number of occupied rooms, on y-axis we have ZD in millions, that is amount. And since total cost is starting from 12, this must be our fixed cost. And if you see the total cost is 23.75, so this portion must be the variable cost. which is 11.75. Fixed cost is 12. Okay, total fixed cost is 12. Now previously if you see, fixed cost was given as 9 million. That means because of restaurant the extra fixed cost is 3 million. Okay, but total combined fixed cost is 12 million, because this is all our details of combined operation. So variable cost is 11.75. Now 11.75 is representing the cost of which volume? It is representing cost of this volume. Okay, so what is this volume? What is this volume? What is this volume? If you see the scaling here, 1500, 3000, 4500, 6000, 7500, and if you measure it with your scale, take a scale like this and measure the gap. So if you will measure, you will see that the gap is in 2 centimeters. In 2 centimeters 1500 is there, then another 2 centimeter is 3000, and from 7500 to this line is 1 centimeter. That means it is next is only half of the usual gap. That means you have to add 750 here, because for 2 centimeter the gap is 1500. For 2 centimeter the gap is 1500. So for here the gap is 750. So the trick was 8250 to find this 8250 using graphs scaling. So this was the trick in this question, that they have given you total cost of this 8250, and 8250 was not properly written or mentioned anywhere. Okay, so this variable cost of 11.75 is for what volume? For 8250 room days, room nights, whatever you can say. So you can find the rate, variable cost per room day. You can divide 11.75 million by 8250. Okay, so this is coming 1424.24. $1424.24. Similarly, if you see the sales of 30 million, the sales of 30 million is also given for 8250 room days. So selling price per room day will be 30 divided by 8250, 3636.36. 3636.36. Okay, so sales you have got, variable cost you have got. Now if you see this graph properly, they have given us break-even sales, and they are saying that this is a dot 7310, and here they are saying that this is margin of safety. If this is margin of safety, then this 7310 must be the present sales level, or maybe the total sales level that you are expecting. So what is 8250? 8250 is just for giving you the structure of cost and revenue, but your sales will be 7310 because that's only the margin of safety as per this chart. So question is asking Zealand's home currency ZD, analyze the profit improvement plan. So what are the profit improvement plan? There are two plans. One is close the Nico, and another is open this restaurant. So you just need to check whether your profitability is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so let us do this. Let us do this by writing. Let us do this by writing. Okay, note number 1. Here you can find present profitability, although that is not asked, but that should be part of your analysis. Present profitability. So what is our present profitability? You can say that present profitability is selling price is equal to present 2700, variable cost is 900, so contribution is 1800. This is per room per day. Then we have room days occupied. It is 365 into 75% into 25. So this is 6844 per annum. So we can find now total contribution 1800 into 6844. 1800 into 6844. What it will be? 1800 into 6844 will be, sorry, not rupees, it's ZD 123,19,200 less total fixed cost is 9 million. 9 million is like 90 and then 6 zeros. 10 million is 10 lakh is 1 million, so 9 million is 90 lakhs. Total 6 zeros. So current profitability here is 33,19,200. 33,19,200. So now we are analyzing profit improvement plans. Whenever you will analyze, remember you should analyze with both financial and non-financial angles. Finance and non-finance. Okay. So the first one here is closing down Nicco for Q2. Now here you cannot find shutdown point and all because the details are not that way. You can just see that there is some basic room occupancy in that Q2 which is 900 room nights, and the contribution per room day as per present cost structure is 1800, right? 1800 is coming. So total contribution that you are earning from this quarter 2 is 1800 into 900. So this is coming ZD 1620. And there is no mention that some fixed costs will be avoided because of closure. As there is no mention, we are assuming that all fixed costs are committed in nature. As there is no mention, we are assuming that all fixed costs are committed in nature. As there is no mention, we are assuming that all fixed costs are committed in nature. So that means if Nico closes down its operations for quarter 2, it will lose contribution of ZD 1620. Further, there are possibilities of losing customer loyalty. So 900 room nights means some customers are coming, right? Losing customer loyalty, creation of a bad reputation, competitors move may be aggressive to capture the market, and there will be difficulties to regularize to the extent of normal capacity of 50%, and there will be difficulties to regularize to the extent of normal capacity of 50%. Okay, hence closure is not viable. Hence closure is not viable. So from both financial and non-financial viewpoint, closure is not viable. Second, evaluation of new restaurant, So for that we need data. So first is sales revenue per room day. It's 30 million by 8250. 8250 has been obtained from graph scaling. So you can just copy the values which we computed above. It is 3636.36, 3636.36. Variable cost per room day. So 23.75 was your total cost, minus 12 was your fixed cost, then divide by 8250. So how much was this? 14. Was it 14? 1424.24. 1424.24. So contribution per room day, $2212.12. Total fixed cost is 12 million. Then expected occupancy is 7310. You remember that 7310? This one, 7310. So if expected occupancy is 7310, what will be total contribution? 2212.12 into 7310. This is coming 161.7597. So less total fixed cost 12 million. So 120 lakhs. So 41.7597. Okay. So profit is 41.7597. So this profit is much higher than the profit of even the present profitability, which is 33,19,200. As the above profit is higher than the present profit, of ZD please check the difference. 33,19,200, if you subtract, it's coming 851,397 is higher than the present profit by ZD. Instead of you write by ZD 851,397, comma, the proposal of opening the Italian restaurant is attractive and hence it must be implemented. It must be implemented. Okay, so shutdown option is not viable and you must open the Italian restaurant. So should we compare this with our shutdown option? There is no need, because shutdown is just for Q2 and this is for full annual evaluation. This is for full year. So I think these two are two independent scenarios. These two are not the scenarios with two mutually exclusive situation. It's like present versus closure. So you compared the closure to understand that it's adding some contribution, so you should not close it. And second was present versus this Italian restaurant. So when you compared this, you found this as more attractive. Okay, so closure, you cannot compare this with this. Okay, so Italian restaurant is viable and closure is not viable. You should compare these two as two different scenarios. Okay, So I've just shortened this a bit for you. If you'll check the solution, everything is done a bit elaborated way they have given. They are also computing break-even point, which you can also compute. If you divide 12 million by the contribution, you'll get this break-even point. They are commenting that why break-even is increased, just because fixed cost has increased and contribution also has increased. So break-even will get affected because of that. All right.